Hi, Tiny Feet PS, where giggles grow and songs glow.
Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub, glub! 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, laughing and splashing in the sun. Ha, ha! One slid down with a whoosh, into the water swoosh. Then there were 3 green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit, blub! 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, watching the butterflies fly by. Fly, fly! One leapt up to play and joined the fun that day. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Jump, jump, yop! 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, singing a happy froggy tune. La, la! One hopped out with glee under the shady tree. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. Hop, hop, let! 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, croaking alone in the bright moonlight. Croak, croak! He jumped in with a splash, made a big bubbly crash. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Plop, plop, chip!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.